Hi, and welcome to my channel, a channel that provides information on yoga and Ayurveda. And this Tuesday Tea Time newsletter is a series of the 10 perfections. And we start today with day 1, generosity, the first perfection. And generosity is the first of the 10 perfections, the first 10 qualities. Generosity is stepping out of your small self and coming into the large self, the capital S self. Opening to freedom and joy and giving. Giving allows you to find that joy within your own heart and trusting that your giving is going to be well received with no attachments. Letting go. Generosity tends to provide happiness. When you give with a whole heart. And that provides others with a sense of receiving. So how can somebody receive what you're giving? And do they receive what you're giving? And does that matter? So give with no attachments at all. We receive many gifts from the universe. Think of all the gifts that we receive from the universe. From a beating heart to food, to the air that we breathe. When you go into the grocery store, take a look around at all the food that's provided for us, all the fruits and vegetables and different cheeses. So take joy. It's okay to take joy in this giving. It feels good to give. It really does. So it benefits us as much as it benefits the other person. And there are 3 levels to giving. And the first level is called tentative. And that's when we give for the reason that the person needs to receive our gifts. So sometimes it could be clothing for someone that needs clothing. Sometimes it's bringing things to Salvation Army. It could be food. It could be giving food to someone in need. And the second level is called brotherly or sisterly giving. And that's when you're giving to share. You're sharing what's precious with you to someone in need. Maybe a teaching, maybe clothing that you no longer use or no longer are of need. So if you move to a different climate, you give away all of the clothes that no longer serve you or fit. And then the third level is kingly or queenly giving, that royal giving. And it is something that is so precious to you. And you're able to give that to someone who you know will enjoy it just as much as you. Kingly or queenly giving, giving from the heart. All 3 levels provide happiness. All 3 levels provide joy for the person receiving as well as you, the giver. So I want you to go out. I want you to find ways to give today. Be generous with your time. Be generous with your smile. Be generous. Namaste.